Good day, applicant A1200211.
Good day, sir, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Laureline Alhas, 32 years old. I have 4 kids, married. We have 10 in the families. I'm the second child. I am graduated 2 years course in computer science at Systems Technology Institute. I am Catholic.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, ma'am, sir. I have experience here in the Philippines, 4 years. They are 4 in the family. Three oldest and 1 child. I do clean house. I cook simple Filipino food. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I can go to market. I can mop the floor, washing the dishes, and washing the clothes. For the children, my duties and responsibilities are giving food, prepare the school uniform, send and fetch to school, help them to their assignment, and sometimes bring to the park.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have, sir. I love listening music and using computer, and I love cooking.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go to abroad because I want to have a better future for my family.
Any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir. If you choose me as one of your servant, I will do my duties and responsibilities and treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract to you. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.